Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. There isn't really much to add to the last video. While Bitcoin basically overnight created another high and we can count 5 waves up for Bitcoin off the Thursday low, Ethereum didn't. I can only count 3 waves up, which still leaves this high B wave as an option. So I will not rule out that Ethereum, even though I assume as long as we're holding 1717 that we're in a breakout, I would still not rule out that it comes back into the orange box. But this is really the micro count. The thing is, we rallied in 5 waves off the Monday low, which is an indication that we are in a breakout to the upside, but it was only the first one. We then came down here in a 3-wave move in what I currently count as a wave 2 after we put that wave 1 in place. And now we're waiting, however, for the first 5 waves up within the 3rd wave. So far, we only have 3 waves up. That's slightly, not concerning, but it just indicates that it's sort of left behind by Bitcoin a little bit. Bitcoin made 5 waves up, Ethereum didn't. So they differ now on the micro count side a little bit. The ETH BTC chart, as you know, basically shows us that. We know that Bitcoin is currently a bit stronger than Ethereum. Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum and has been for the last week or so. And that was also our forecast. And I assume that is going to carry on. So I wouldn't rule out, for example, that Bitcoin manages a breakout while Ethereum might do something like this. I mean, not following directly the 3rd wave, but before it does something like this. A wave down, B wave up because it's only in 3 waves, and then a C wave down. And then starts the 3rd wave. But this is sort of speculation. We can only really focus on what we see, and what I see here is that we only have so far 3 waves to the upside. It might still do 5 waves, but it's just something that I'm observing, that Bitcoin put 5 waves in place, Ethereum didn't. Therefore, Ethereum seems to be a bit weaker than Bitcoin at the moment. Again, that's no surprise due to the ETH BTC chart that I've shown you before. But eventually, to get a lot of confidence into further continuation here, first of all, it needs to hold anyway the 1717 level. It's the sort of higher level count or scenario or support level that's relevant here. But on the micro side, it should really hold that blue wave 2 at 1766. Otherwise, I have to change the sort of micro count here, and the ABC structure might be in place here. Because if you get 3 waves up, it could just be a B wave, right? But yeah, how long or when is it? Is it at the moment still likely to get that 5th wave up? Well, it's still likely in my opinion, but it's just, this was a 3-wave rally. Bitcoin made 5 yesterday, yeah? So here, this one, this small high, where Bitcoin put another 5th wave in, Ethereum didn't. So the thing is, I think I showed you that level yesterday, drawing the fibs here for this 4th wave. As long as that sort of 1812 level, call it 1810, yeah? The 1810 level is holding, we can still get that 5th wave. Below that level, I would say probabilities shift towards this just being a C wave to the downside, where it then has a chance to reset the wave 2 before it rallies in a 3rd wave. But to keep it very simple, as long as 1717 is holding, I would focus imminently here on higher. Yeah, this is the key support level that is relevant for a bullish breakout of this larger structure, yeah, that we've put in since we've been in this range here, sideways range, in which we got on the, well, you could say 17th of March, 18th of March. But yeah, that's sort of where we are still. Only 3 waves, basically no update since the last video. It's just moving sideways. It's a typical wave for Saturday. However, Bitcoin obviously made 5 waves up, which is looking quite good. Let's see. But if Bitcoin now continues to move sideways, I mean, maybe I missed a small 1-2 setup on the Bitcoin chart, and it's actually also in a wave 4. I will check that in the next Bitcoin video. But yeah, that would make a great difference anyway. So either way, against 1717, the trend is here up also short term. So hopefully you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.